Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Sometimes you forget your name. Hi everyone, I'm George from the Weber Kettle Club Competition Barbecue Team. And today we're here to show you how to make Jamaican jerk chicken with a pineapple salsa. And we're going to cook on the new Weber SmokeFire. The first steps are to put the following ingredients in a food processor. 1 small onion chopped, 2 spring onions chopped, 4 dried habanero chilies, 1 long red chili roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground allspice, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons finely grated fresh ginger, 2 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon nutmeg, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Once you've got all those ingredients together, just pop them into a blender and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lime juiced, and blitz it till smooth. Once blended, pour over your chicken and marinate for at least 2 hours. Oh, this is going to be good. And now we're going to move towards making the pineapple salsa. To prepare the pineapple salsa, brush both sides of the pineapple with olive oil and place on the SmokeFire grill. For direct cooking, set your SmokeFire up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the chicken's been marinated, place the chicken, drumsticks and the thighs in the SmokeFire barbecue, skin down, for around 16 minutes, turning regularly. The chicken will be ready when it probes internal temperature at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So while the chicken's cooking, we're going to get on with our pineapple salsa. So first, dice your pineapple into small pieces. Then place them in a bowl. To the diced pineapple in your bowl, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 spring onions finely chopped, and add half a lime juice and a pinch of salt. And that's it, Jamaican jerk chicken with a pineapple salsa. A great dish for summer entertainment and a great flavour kick.